Becoming successful in the DevOps domain requires a combination of technical skills, collaboration, and a deep understanding of both development and operations practices. Here are 10 things to learn that can contribute to your success in the DevOps field. Number 1. Version control. Master version control systems like Git, including branching, merging, and pull requests. Version control is fundamental for tracking changes and collaborating on code. Number 2. Infrastructure as code, IAC. Learn tools like Terraform or Ansible to automate infrastructure provisioning and management. IAC enables consistent and repeatable infrastructure deployments. Number 3. Continuous integration, CI, and continuous deployment, CD. Understand CI/CD pipelines and tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, or Circle CI. Learn to automate building, testing, and deploying software changes. Number 4. Containerization and orchestration. Familiarize yourself with container technologies like Docker and container orchestration platforms like Kubernetes. Containers ensure consistent environments across development, testing, and production. Number 5. Monitoring and logging. Learn about monitoring tools such as Prometheus and Grafana, and log management systems like ELK, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana. Monitoring and logging are crucial for maintaining application health and troubleshooting issues. Number 6. Microservices architecture. Gain an understanding of microservices principles, design patterns, and communication protocols. Microservices promote modularity and scalability in software development. Number 7. Security and compliance. Acquire knowledge of security best practices, including vulnerability scanning, code analysis, and securing containerized applications. Understand compliance requirements relevant to your industry. Number 8. Collaboration and communication. Develop strong collaboration skills to bridge the gap between development and operations teams. Effective communication is essential for successful DevOps implementation. Number 9. Cloud platforms. Familiarize yourself with cloud providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. DevOps often involves deploying and managing applications on cloud infrastructure. Number 10. Agile methodologies. Learn agile practices like Scrum or Kanban to facilitate iterative development and continuous improvement. Agile methodologies align well with DevOps principles. In addition to these technical skills, cultivating a DevOps mindset that emphasizes collaboration, automation, and a customer-centric approach is crucial for success in this field. Continuous learning and adaptability are essential, as the DevOps landscape evolves rapidly, and new tools and practices emerge over time. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more such content.